In this video, I'll teach you how to format the timescale bar in hours in Microsoft Project. Some time ago, I was teaching a class for a corporate client, and in that company, they manage short projects of 8 hours, 12, 16, or 24 hours that run round the clock continuously. They needed to know how to format the timescale bar in hours. In this video, I'll teach you what I taught them. So let's get started. You can see that this sample project is a hospital software upgrade project. Because of the kind of work being performed in this project, the work must be performed only on a Saturday and/or Sunday and cannot be performed Monday through Friday to avoid disruption to normal business processes. To set up this unusual project schedule, I had to do several things first. Let me show you what I had to do. First, I needed to create a custom calendar. I called it Weekend Work Only, that schedules work Sundays and Saturdays only and blocks out Monday through Friday as non-working time. If you don't know how to create a custom calendar like this, please refer to the link in the description section below and watch my video on how to create this custom calendar. Then I had to set this custom calendar first as the project calendar so that all tasks are scheduled only on a weekend. And then I had to set this unusual calendar as the non-working time calendar so that its schedule shows up in the Gantt chart screen. You can clearly see that Saturdays and Sundays are working time, while Mondays through Fridays are non-working time. And then finally, I had to set this unusual calendar as the base calendar for all of my team members to make sure that they get scheduled to work only Saturdays and Sundays and not Monday through Friday. After doing all of this setup, I then created my task list. I did task planning. I built my project team. That's resource planning. I assigned resources to my tasks. That's assignment planning. Then I saved a baseline for the project. At this point, I would now like to look at the hourly level of this project in the Gantt chart view. How do you do this? It is so insanely simple. I can't believe it. Click the View tab to display the View ribbon, and then over in the Zoom section, click the Timescale Pick List button and select the hours level in the timescale. Then scroll your Gantt bars into view, and here we are. Here's the hourly level of the project. Here's the work that takes place on Saturday. Notice they've got an hour for lunch. Here's the work that takes place on Sunday. Now, as a bonus, I'd also like to see the start date and finish date and the time of day that each task starts and finishes. Before I do this, I'm going to widen the start and finish columns a bit to allow some room to put in the time of day. Here's how to display the time of day in the start and finish columns. Click the File tab to display the Backstage, and then click the Options tab to display the Project Options dialog. On the General page, click the Date Format Pick List button and choose the date format called 1/28/09/12:33 p.m. Click the OK button when finished. There we now have it. We've got our Gantt chart screen zoomed to the hourly level, and we can see the time of day that every task starts and finishes. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and click the notifications button. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.